Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're taking a deep dive into Fujifilm's newest addition to its retro-inspired lineup, the powerful and visually stunning Fujifilm X-E5 mirrorless camera. If you're a photography enthusiast, content creator, or hybrid shooter looking for that perfect mix of vintage charm and modern imaging tech, this compact beast might just be the creative tool you've been waiting for. At first glance, the X-E5 stays true to Fuji's beloved aesthetic with its clean, tactile design that nods to the brand's classic film era. But the real story is what lies beneath that stylish exterior, because Fujifilm didn't just make this camera look beautiful, they engineered it to perform with serious muscle. One of the first things you'll notice when handling the X-E5 is its vastly improved grip. Gone are the days of awkwardly dangling your pinky while trying to balance a zoom lens. The redesigned grip adds a feeling of stability and comfort in hand, giving users more confidence when capturing handheld shots or recording on the fly. Despite being a compact camera, it carries a bit of extra weight, about 445 grams with battery and SD card. But that added heft means you're getting real upgrades, including 5-axis IBIS in body image stabilization, an all-new 40.2 MP X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, and vastly improved thermal efficiency for longer shooting sessions. Speaking of the sensor, it's the same high-resolution powerhouse found in the more premium XH2 and XT5 cameras. That means you're getting elite-level image detail, better dynamic range, and incredible low-light performance in a more compact body. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or intricate street scenes, this sensor delivers razor-sharp results even when shooting in compressed RAW format. The X-E5 also supports Fuji's smart digital teleconverter, letting you zoom 1.4x or 2x digitally with minimal quality loss, perfect for creators who value versatility without swapping lenses. On the video side, this camera is no slouch either. With support for 6.2K video at 30p, 4K 60, DCI 4K, and even full HD 240fps slow motion, the X-E5 offers exceptional capabilities for filmmakers and vloggers alike. Add in F-Log2 color profile, 24-bit high-fidelity audio through a 3.5mm mic jack, and Fuji's signature film simulations, and you've got yourself a portable cinema rig that's more than capable of tackling your next documentary, music video, or YouTube content creation session. When it comes to connectivity and workflow, Fujifilm has you covered. The X-E5 includes USB-C, micro HDMI, Type D, and the aforementioned 3.5mm mic input, ensuring seamless data transfer, external recording, and audio upgrades. Whether you're live streaming, backing up files on the go, or using a portable monitor, this mirrorless camera adapts easily to your setup. Another standout feature is the dedicated film simulation dial that offers quick access to 20 iconic Fujifilm looks, including classic Chrome, Acros, Eterna, and the all-new Reala Ace. It's like having a digital film lab at your fingertips, ideal for creators who want to infuse character and mood straight out of camera without spending hours in post. Ergonomically, we still haven't seen detailed official shots of the top and back of the camera, but leaks suggest it continues Fujifilm's trend of prioritizing usability with physical dials and intuitive layout. The mechanical shutter tops out at 8 fps, while the electronic shutter reaches up to 20 fps with crop, giving sports and wildlife photographers the burst performance they need. Meanwhile, autofocus is handled by a hybrid phase and contrast detection system, enhanced by deep learning AI subject recognition. That means fast, accurate focus even in challenging lighting, with tracking modes that cover everything from human faces to animals, birds, and vehicles. It can even focus in near darkness, down to an impressive 7.0 EV, making it perfect for low-light street photography or indoor events. The X-E5 is also equipped with a 2.36 million dot OLED EVF with 0.62x magnification, providing a clear and responsive viewing experience. On the back, a 3-inch three-way tilting LCD screen makes composing shots from low angles or waist level a breeze, great for discreet street work or even vlogging. That screen flexibility also helps when shooting vertical content for TikTok, Instagram, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Stabilization, as mentioned earlier, is a key highlight of this camera. With up to 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, Along with digital IS and IS boost, users can shoot smooth handheld video and tack-sharp stills, even with slower shutter speeds. It's basically gimbal-like performance built right into the body, no extra gear needed. Battery life clocks in at around 310 standard shots, or roughly 400 in economy mode, while video recording time sits at about 70 minutes depending on settings and environmental conditions. Storage is handled via a single UHS-2 SD card slot, compatible with SD, SDHC, and SDXC formats, up to V90 speed ratings, though there's no dual card slot setup. Also worth noting, the XE5 lacks weather sealing and doesn't include a dedicated ISO dial like the X-T5, but ISO can still be easily controlled via the command dials or Q menu for fast adjustments on the fly. This camera strikes a balance, aimed at serious enthusiasts and pros who need flexibility and performance, but still want something more compact than Fuji's flagship models. It brings the classic Fujifilm DNA into 2025, blending analog-inspired design with cutting-edge internals. Whether you're capturing high-resolution stills, cinematic quality video, or creating hybrid content for YouTube, the XE5 is a creative powerhouse that doesn't hold back. For those wondering about the price, the Fujifilm X-E5 will be available at $1,690 for the body only, or $1,890 when bundled with the compact XF23mm f2.8 lens, a sharp, lightweight prime that complements the camera's portability and style perfectly. It's not the cheapest camera out there, but when you consider the features, image quality, and iconic color science Fuji is known for, it's actually an incredible value proposition for creators who demand more from their gear. So whether you're a dedicated photographer chasing tack-sharp detail, a filmmaker seeking flexible recording formats, or a hybrid content creator building your brand online, the Fujifilm X-E5 is a serious contender that ticks all the boxes for performance, portability, and pure visual joy. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and hands-on tests, only here at Techno Trend Zone.